Sound isn't something magical that can directly impact the emotions of the audience, whether it is scary or emotional. Sometimes it moves them to moments of joy, and other times it makes wonder. Every scenario can lose its meaning if the wrong sound are used in any video. It's true that sound design is a preset job because various elements are involved, such as background music, ambient sound, and sound effects, all working together to create the right mood. That's why a video with 1 or 2 tracks can still have many audio tracks to affect the viewer's emotion in ways visuals alone cannot. There are no places without sound. Even a winter midnight, you can hear ambient sounds like the drip of a water from the fog or the creeps rustling of dry leaves as nocturnal creators move around. These ambient sounds tend to be more noticeable on a winter midnight in the northern hemisphere, especially during a snowstorm. Sound designing even a single clip in a week can be the best way to dive deeper into the art of sound design. For instance, this waterfall video feels lifeless without sound. Adding waterfall sound effect immediately brings to it life. As the camera slowly moves closer to the waterfall, adjusting the volume of the sound effect from low to high to match the video is another essential step in sound design. Without background music, visuals often struggle to fully convey their emotions. For background music and sound effects, AudioHero is a great choice, offering over 300,000 royalty-free tracks and sound effects, perfect for any sound design task. This waterfall video has a dreamy and cinematic feel, so selecting music from the cinematic genre would be ideal. A smart way to choose the right track is by listening to the beginning and clicking on the different section of the music while analyzing waveform. It's also a good habit to play back the video whenever changes are made, such as adding background music. Close your eyes and imagine the sounds you might hear in a jungle waterfall scene, maybe birds, wind, or insects. Adding these sound effects can turn a simple video into an engaging experience for the audience. A riser is used to gradually intensify tension. It's commonly used before climax, dramatic shift, or major action sequence. Risers are designed to lead up to something significant, often ended abruptly with a sudden drop or transition. In this video, I used a riser to build tension, giving it a horror film-like feel. The sound effect suddenly drops as we transition to the next clip, where a car is running, followed by a hit sound effect. The riser and hit are also used here as transitions. Other sound effects used in the first cave video including cave sounds, water droplets, and footsteps. You can also use sounds like a heartbeat or other effects that virtually bring your audience into the film. In the car footage, you hear sound like bass rumble, the vehicle running, and radio tuning. A low-pass sound effect behaves differently underwater compared to in air. It causes high frequencies to diminish, allowing only lower frequencies to pass through, creating a muffled underwater feel. In the timeline, we have both a water or sea sound effect and background music. I decreased the volume of the sound effect using keyframes when showing the drone sea footage, indicating distance from the sea and resulting in quieter sound. To create a low-pass or underwater sound effect, start by cutting at the transition point where the video moves underwater. Use the razor tool to split both sound effects and background music. Next, go to Effects tab, search for the low-pass effect and drag it to the timeline, applying it to the sound effect. With the sound effect selected, navigate to the Effect Controls panel. Under the low-pass effect, you find a control for cutoff frequency. Adjust this to reduce higher frequencies. A lower cutoff value around 500 MHz gives the impression of being underwater, making the sound muffled. Playback the video to check the effect. If you wanna enhance the effect, increase the cutoff frequency to around 800 Hz. Next, apply the same low pass effect to the other audio tracks, such as background music and voice. An easy way to do this by selecting the sound effect and copying the low pass effect from the effect controls panel using Ctrl+C. Then select the background music and paste the effect using Ctrl+V and unmute the background music if it is muted. Now play back the video to enjoy the complete underwater sound effect. AudioHero is one of my favorite platforms for music and sound effects. Its royalty-free library is perfect for content creators, filmmakers, game developers, and other media professionals who need high-quality audio without licensing issues. AI search helps you quickly find the right tracks or sound effects, and you can even upload your own audio file to find similar music. AudioHero makes it easy to discover audio across a wide range of genres and moods. AudioHero is now offering a lifetime copy of Vegas Pro 22 free when you purchase their annual plan at the retail price of $196. You can also get a great discount on their other plans by using my promo code ARIF75. All the details are in the video's description. Light leaks to create a stunning, dreamy or vintage look for transition in any video, whether it is cinematic or explanatory. Pairing them with simple sound effects such as a camera shutter, shape or keyboard sound can make your videos more engaging. I often use shape sound effects for light leak transitions. To add more impact, you can trim the sound effect and place two adjacent shape or camera shutter effects to give the transition a more dynamic feel. To quickly duplicate the sound effect, hold down the Alt key and drag it to another light leak transition. If you are using 2 or more transitions a quick series, try using a single sound effect for the last transition to offer your audience a refreshing variations. Lastly, adding the right background music and relevant sound effects to match your video's genre is key to great sound design. Pan the left or right channels to match the movement of the bike, car or any object within the frame for a dynamic sound design. To create a realistic sound effect, right click on the audio clip, then scroll down to show clip keyframes. Select planar and choose balance. To add keyframes, hit the P key to activate the pen tool. Click on the audio balance line on the left side to set the fast keyframe. Then drag it up to increase the left audio channel, reflecting the bike's movement from the left. Next, move to the right side to set another keyframe and drag it down to raise the right channel while lowering the left audio. Hit the V key to return to the selection tool and enjoy the immersive audio panning through your headphones. Ultimately, the key to great sound design is experimentation, mixing different background music and sound effects to find the perfect combination that works best for your scene. Start sound design with short clips and let me know your feedback. To know more details about AudioHero, check out the video description. Thanks for watching this video and I hope to see you in the next one.